Hi beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I will show you how to use sulfur 8 to double your hair growth, treat your scalp, boost faster hair growth, solve your scalp problem like hair fall, itching scalp, slow hair growth, and so many of them. So if the video sound like what are interesting, please keep on watching and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important part of this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. To prepare this powerful recipe, my first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh one, you can also make use of the fresh one. Next thing, I bring my bowl. I'll be scooping out 2 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. We know that rosemary is very powerful, very helpful in our hair growth. After scooping out, my next ingredient is cloves. Also, cloves are another powerful recipe, is another powerful herbs that can help you a lot in doubling your hair growth, boosting faster hair growth, help to stimulate blood flow, and so many of them. So I'll also be making use of 2 tablespoons of my cloves. After adding the 2 ingredients together, I will bring my dry blending cup to transfer them, to crush them into a powder form. If you already have powder form, there's no need of doing this. If you have powder rosemary leaf or powder cloves, you are good to go. But I don't have the powder one, that's why I need to blend it with my blender. I just do rough blending. I bring another bowl to transfer my blending ingredients, so that I will move to the next process. This is the amount of the blending ingredients I have so far. Next thing is my carrier oil. Use any carrier oil of your choice. If you are wondering, I'm using jojoba oil, but use any carrier oil like grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, any of the oil of your choice. You can make use of it, okay? Any oil you have at home at the moment, just feel free to use it, okay? So next thing, I use my spoon to turn it around to make sure that the ingredients have mixed together properly with the oil. So my water is already on fire, so I will just do this efficient by double boiling method. So you can do direct heat, okay, but I choose to do double boiling method because double boiling method will help this ingredient to be more potent, okay? With direct heat, you may have chance to lose some benefit of this ingredient. So if you want the ingredient to be very potent, everything to be intact, just do the boiling method. Unless you are using the fresh rosemary leaf, you cannot do direct heat, but make sure your heat is very low flame, okay? I infused this only about 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes mark, I brought it down and I like to cool down so that I will not burn my hand. Next, I bring my bowl and my sheet cloth so that I can collect my oil. While doing this process, make sure you use something that have very tiny hole. You can use your wig cap, your stockings, anything that I know that have very tiny hole, so that the residues of the ingredients will not be into the oil, okay? After straining it, this is what I have so far. I bring another bowl to transfer my oil. If you want to make rosemary and cloves oil, this is the same way you can prepare it, okay? So the main ingredient is sulfur 8. So this is my sulfur 8. Sulfur 8 help a lot in promoting hair growth, treat your scalp, keep your hair healthy, solve that hair problem like itching scalp, dandruff, promote faster hair growth. I just scoop out 1.5 tablespoons of my sulfur 8. My next ingredient is veggie hair fertilizer hair cream. Guys, this is very potent. This recipe will grow your hair like crazy. Veggie hair fertilizer is very good in our scalp and also in our hair. Consistent of using this veggie hair fertilizer on your hair will never remain the same. You will never experience anything like dandruff or itching scalp, Okay, so combination of this virgin hair fertilizer and sulfur 8, it will really help you a lot. And the cloves and the rosemary, this will promote healthy, faster hair growth. Your hair will grow like crazy. This recipe will double your hair growth, give you healthy scalp, treat your scalp issues. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing double boiling method so that I can mix this ingredient together so that they can melt very well. Okay, I bring hot water into this bowl and transfer it on it, melt it. At this moment, as you can see, it already melted. So what I'll do now, I'll bring it down from the hot water and I'll keep it aside so that it will cool, okay, and solidify. So keep on watching. I'll show you how to apply this on your hair, the proper way to use this recipe to get that best result, to boost your hair growth like never before. After allowing this for a while to solidify, this is what we have so far. How to use this on your hair, guys? As you can see, I'm focusing on my scalp. This will stimulate blood flow on your scalp. This will grow your hair like crazy. Honestly, you don't need to joke with this recipe unless you're not ready to solve that hair problem, unless you're not ready for faster hair growth. The way this feel on my scalp feels so amazing. This will help a lot to treat, especially if you are dealing with freaky scalp, itching scalp, dandruff. This will solve that your problem, guys. There's no joke. Okay, and also you can also use it on the strand of your hair. It's not only on your scalp. Okay, so this recipe made for the scalp and also for the strand of hair. This will help you a lot in promoting hair growth. But please, before you apply this on your hair, do not apply this on a dry hair or on a dry scalp. Please make sure that you use your herbal tea spray or plain water to damp your hair first before you can follow up with this pomade, so that you can get the good benefit of this pomade, so that this pomade will do good job it's supposed to do on your hair. If you apply this on a dry scalp, you not get that good result on it. Okay, so preferable use it on a damp hair so that you can get all the good results is supposed to have in this pomade. This will keep your hair so shine, moisturized and hydrated. But whenever you use this recipe, please do not forget to massage your scalp. It's very important, because scalp massage will help this product to work more wonders on your hair, to stimulate blood flow, okay, and also help you to thicken up your hair. Okay, if you want to take this to another level, especially if your hair is low porosity, if you have low porosity hair, it can cover up your hair for some a while, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, remove your shower cap. Guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not liked, help me to click on that like button, subscribe, share, and also let me know your opinion in comment section below. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.